Understanding pitch reference in English language. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting aspect of the English language: pitch reference. This term might sound technical, but it's quite simple and incredibly useful in daily communication. Let's dive in and learn together. Pitch reference refers to the use of vocal pitch to convey meaning in spoken language. Unlike written text, spoken English uses variations in pitch to add emotional depth, emphasize certain words, or even change the meaning of a sentence. It's a key part of how we express ourselves and understand others in conversation. 1. Questions versus statements. In English, we often raise the pitch at the end of a sentence to indicate a question. For example, "You're going to the store?" has a higher pitch at the end compared to the statement, "You're going to the store." 2. Emphasis. We use pitch to emphasize important words or ideas. For example, in the sentence, "I love chocolate," the word love might be spoken at a higher pitch to show strong feelings. 3. Emotional context. The pitch can convey emotions like surprise, happiness, or sarcasm. A high pitch might indicate excitement, while a lower pitch could suggest seriousness or disappointment. Understanding and using pitch reference can greatly improve your communication skills in English. It not only helps in conveying your message more effectively but also aids in understanding the emotional context behind what others are saying. It's especially important in English, as the same sentence can have different meanings based on the pitch used. 1. Listen and imitate. Pay attention to how native speakers use pitch in different contexts and try to imitate them. 2. Record yourself. Record your voice while speaking and listen to see if your pitch matches the intended meaning or emotion. 3. Practice with friends. Engage in conversations with friends or language partners and focus on using pitch to enhance your communication. That's all about pitch reference in English. Remember, mastering pitch can make your spoken English more expressive and effective. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with different pitches in your speech. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.